Can you give Sissy a kiss? Braylon. Hey, give Sissy a kiss and tell her, hi, Sissy. Tell her, hi, Sissy. Oh, that's my Sissy. Say hi, Sissy. Hey, Bub. Braylon. Say hi, Sissy. Hi. Say hi, Sissy. Hey. Can you say hi, Co? Say hi, Co. Can you say that? Can you say hi, Nana? Can you say hi, Grandma? Can you say hi, Pops? Can you say hi, Papa? Can you say, hey, Sissy? Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Mommy. You say hi, Mommy? Say hi, Ben. Say hi, B. Say hey, baby. Say Dora. Dora. You sing Olivia. Can you sing it? What about Go Diego, Go Diego? Can you blow kisses? Blow Mommy a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Bubby. Blow Mommy a kiss.